Welcome to this video, in which we'll guide you through the process of upgrading from a previous generation safety laser scanner, such as the S3000, to a new generation microScan3. Before we start, please make sure that the machine is and remains disconnected from the voltage supply during mounting and electrical installation. Make sure that the machine is and remains in a safe state during the procedure. Having the material number from the S3000 will be helpful, for instance, when determining a suitable successor. In addition, read out the existing S3000 configuration from the device. Open the CDS configuration software on your laptop and connect it to the S3000 scanner using the configuration cable. Read the configuration from the S3000 device and save it as a .skp file on your desktop. Let's now start with the actual replacement. In this case, we replace an S3000 device directly connected to safety controls using hardwired I/O. On our replacement webpage, you'll find detailed information about this S3000 setup and how to proceed. As a first step, take a look at the document Integration Manual microScan3 as replacement for S3000, which provides comprehensive details and technical differences between the safety laser scanners. In Step 2, we define the successor variant for the S3000. The overview on our webpage helps you determine which microScan3 variant is suitable in this case. In Step 3, we configure the new microScan3 device. To simplify this, we use the configuration file from the S3000 device that we have saved right at the beginning. Open the CDS to Safety Designer Converter tool on your computer. This tool will help you transfer your existing S3000 configuration to the new software. Open the .skp file and let the software guide you through the process. Now launch the Safety Designer software and create a new configuration for the microScan3 variant recommended by the cross-reference tool. With the help of the import function, you can import the SGEXML file into the Safety Designer. Don't forget to review the configuration when the import process has finished. Make sure to assign the necessary in and outputs and adjust any settings as needed. Now that we have prepared the configuration, let's move on to the application and proceed with the upgrade. Besides the configuration, it is recommended to also prepare mounting kits, the adapter plate, and cables to keep the replacement time short. As the microScan3 is smaller than the S3000, the existing mounting brackets of the S3000 can be used with the adapter plate. First, disconnect the system plug and remove the S3000. Using the mounting kit, go on and mount the adapter plate with the microScan3 device on the existing S3000 bracket. Rewire the new cables to the microScan3. Once connected, power on the device. You will notice that the display will now indicate that the configuration is missing. Connect the microScan3 scanner to your computer and open the Safety Designer configuration file we have already prepared. Transfer the pre-configured settings from your laptop to the microScan3. Verify the setup using a test rod to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Finally, let's restart the machine after reviewing the general machine safety concept. It is now ready for the new generation of safety laser scanners. The transition is complete and an exciting new era begins.